Dude, what's in there? Cooper, what's in there? Look. Oops. You get it? What is it? Are you going to have cuddles with it? Yeah, let's do this, eh?
What's in this one?
It's a Christmas stocking from us. What's that? There's another one in there too, look. Ooh! I'll swap posts with Tim for that one.
Mm-hmm.
That's his one. From Tim. What's that one? Yeah, let's do this one. Ready? Ready?
Neat stuff, eh?
Yeah, they're really cool.
I don't even know how they do that.